So if I want to test something on my website, maybe do a full redesign, I of course don't want it to be live and kind of messy for anybody viewing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a clone of that website. The way I'm going to do that is I'm going to come here to my WordPress admin dashboard. I'm going to come across to plugins and to add new plugin just here. From there, I'm going to go ahead and search plugins and search for Duplicator. This is the plugin tool that I'm going to use to create a perfect clone of my website. So all I need to do is I need to hit install now just here. Wait for a second. There we go. And then hit activate. That is going to get Duplicator onto my website. So that drops me right here to the Duplicator backups page. You can also get there from Duplicator on your sidebar and then just going to backups. Now from here, I want to create a new backup. So essentially what I'm doing is I'm creating a full site backup that is a perfect clone of my particular website. I'm going to get a few options here, such as I can name this backup whatever I would like, this clone. I have storage options, so if you do go for Duplicator Pro, you can actually start to store this in places like OneDrive, on your Google Drive, Dropbox. It's actually really handy. I will leave links to Duplicator Pro down in the top pinned comment. But for now, we can just go ahead like this. For the backup file, we are doing a full site backup, so we don't actually need to touch this. And again, if you have Pro, you can start to pick and choose which elements of your website you want to do the backup with. Then we have the installer, and all I would say that you need to worry about here is if you want to enable password protection for your particular file, which I would recommend doing if you are that way inclined, which I am. So what we're going to do now is going to go ahead and just go to next, which is going to scan my website like this. This is just making sure that everything is going to go well so that you don't have to worry about any issues, any problems with your backup. You know that it's going to be a perfect clone and it's going to work. So we can come across here. This is my scan, which took a grand total of 6 seconds. It's very quick. And you can see that everything is fine. The notice, for example, this one is just telling me how big the website is, and that's how big the backup's going to be. So just double check those. Everything is good, and we can go ahead and build this backup, this perfect clone of our website that we can then use to do any kind of testing or full rebuilds. Now, if you are doing a full rebuild, a full redesign, you can do that from here as a base point, and then you can actually import it back onto your main website so that then everything just appears and works for your customers, for people who are viewing your website. It just means there's no downtime and there's no messing around trying to change little bits here and there. Really doesn't interrupt your customer or visitor experience at all. So this is a really good way to go about doing this. What you can see here on the screen is that it is now building the backup. So you can see it's already 60% complete. It takes a couple of minutes, so we're just going to let that happen. And yeah, I'll be right back in just a minute. You wait there, don't go anywhere. Once that's done, which just took a couple of minutes, we can have a look here. It's giving us 2 backup files. Just download both of those. So we're going to download both files just here. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow us to take those files, place them anywhere else we like on a dummy site or anything else, so that we can then start to amend them or just test things out without any risk of anything going wrong. And if it works, we can go ahead and import it straight back onto our main site, and everything will be fine, like I say, without interrupting any of the customers. Now, if we have this particular backup and we're happy with everything, once we've done the testing, we want to bring it back over to our main site. All we need to do is click this video right here.